Hi guys, it's Sam from Creatively Sam's, and today I'm microwaving a yam. This is one of my absolute favorite lunches. It is incredibly filling and it takes 6 minutes to make. So if you want to see how I did this, stay tuned. It's coming up next. This is the size of the yam that I usually get, and this is an entire meal for me. The first thing I'm going to do is clean it off really well. And I don't usually eat the peels, but yeah, I want it clean. Okay, and I'm going to dry it. Now I'm going to pierce it. This is just to make vents. It's funny, every time I do this I think of the movie Psycho. So cue the Psycho music as I'm piercing away. Okay, I don't know if you can see that they're pierced pretty well on both sides. And now I'm going to put this in the microwave on high for 6 minutes. Okay, this is on a microwave safe plate. And I'm going to set this for 6 minutes. Now if you don't have a microwave with a carousel inside, just cook this 3 minutes on high, turn the potato the opposite way and flip it over and cook it for the remaining 3 minutes. Okay, when it's done, ooh baby, look at that steam. You want to test it to see if it's done all the way, and I just slide a knife in there, and if it goes in without any resistance, it's done. And yes, most of the time that plate is hot. Now be careful with this because it is really hot. I mean, the plate's cooled down okay, but this is incredibly hot. So all I'm going to do is cut it straight down the center. And I'm going to cut it 3 more times. 1, 2, 3. This is an incredibly filling lunch for me. It is one of the things that's on my list of things that I can have. So, yeah, this is an entire lunch for me. And all I'm going to do is mash it up a little bit. And I'm going to add some butter. And by the time I'm done, it's about a tablespoon, but you put on as much as you want or as little. Now you can use sugar or Splenda. And since I am diabetic, you know I don't use sugar, I just use Splenda. that's 3 teaspoons. Like I said, this is yours. Put on as much as you want or as little as you want. And I'm doing the cinnamon. I just love the way cinnamon changes the taste of the sweet potato, and it actually makes it taste a whole lot like the sweet potatoes you have at Thanksgiving. And I'm going to let this cool down just a little bit, and then I'm going to dive in. Okay, I think it's cooled down enough. Oh, it's still hot. Boy, it tastes just like the sweet potatoes that you have for Thanksgiving dinner. Oh, this is so good. So, if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe. And happy creating, everyone.